A very good morning, class 4th. Let's start our lesson, human sense organs. Study we have completed our lessons. So today we are going to start the question and answers. So some questions, answers, mostly all the answers I will go on the boards. Okay, no problems. But I will not write the question, I will write the only answer. Okay. Now see, first question number first. What is the question number first? Name the sense organ. There are some sentences. I will read that one and I will write the answer. Okay. First, identifying whether the given liquid is water or oil. So in front of you, they are given you water or oil. Okay. So water or oil, whatever that one. Then how you can identify that one? How you can identify that one? That is the water or oil. Yes or no? By seeing, okay, by seeing also you can understand. But by touching you can understand the very well, because sometimes oil and the water is looking like a same only. Okay, so if we are small, then we could not be understand that the oil or the water. So it's better we have to touch. So which organs we have to use in? Skin. So first answer it will come skin. Understand? Second, finding similarities between two images. Now you have to find the two similarities between the two images. Okay, two images they are giving in front of you, and you have to find the similarities between the two images. So which organs you will use? Of course, you will use the eyes. Yes or no? You will use the eyes. Second one, eyes. Understanding? Third one, to check whether the cloth is smooth or not. Now you have to check that the clothes, okay, this is the one of the cloth, okay, shirt. You have to check this one is smooth or not, okay. So how you will feel? You will feel that one, you will touch that the cloth. Now if I will say that one, you have to identify this the board, it's smooth or rough. Then what you do? You will see like that only? No. You will hear? No. Then what you do? You will touch. Then it's called the skin. Yes? So third answer also skin. Got it? Now fourth number. Finding the direction of the tiger in a jungle when it roars. So you have to find the tiger. The tiger is in jungle, the tiger is roaring. Yes or no? Roars means oradne, darkali. Yes or no? Though the tiger is roars in the jungle. So how you will understand? You will see. By seeing you will understand that one. Where is that the tiger? No. Because tiger's roar is it's going up to the 3 km or 4 km. And up to the 3 km, 4 km we could not be seen. Yes or no? So which organs it will be held? Your ear. So you have to write that one. Ear. Now, last one. What is the last one? Okay, here not here. Last one. To check whether the given food atom is sweet or sour. Okay. So what organs you use? You will use tongue. Yes or no? You will use the tongue. Now question number second. I am going to write here question number second. Okay, no problem now. Question number second I am going to write here only. So question number first you have to see at one time. First has skin, second eyes, third skin, fourth ears, and fifth one tongue. These are our 5 sense organs. Isn't it? Now question number second, fill in the blanks we are going to write here. Our ear help us to dash sound and to maintain in our body. Okay? Our ear help us. Our ear help us to what? We sound hear. Our ear help us to hear. Okay? Yes or no? Our ears are helping us to hear. To maintain balance. Second one is become balance. balance in our body. So first answer you would be right. You should be right this one. Second, the dash can detect touch, pet and temperature. So which body organs are helping us? We can detect that what it is a hot, it is a cool, it is a very very warm. Yes or no? Which organs? We are using our skin. Yes or no? With the skin touch. Yes or no? Whatever that our body parts will touch that one. Not like that only we have to put our hands only. Yes or no? If you cannot smell something, you cannot eat too. If you will not smell something, can you detect that word? If you will not smell something, then you cannot be. By smelling also you can understand that things. Yes or no? It is good or bad. Yes? So that is one called detect. Okay? D-E-T-A-C-T. Detect. Okay? Now, just I am going to rub this one. Give two things Abido should in order to take care of the following sense organs. So we have to help now Abido for the following sense organs. Sense organs are there: eyes, ears, skin, tongue and nose. We have to write that the answers. Okay? So let me rub this one and I have to write the answers. I will write the answers and I will explain. Okay? Up to you have to take the pause. Okay students. Second question on how we have to take care of our sense organs. So first one, eyes. I have written answer, you have to see that answer. Use proper light while reading, watching television or working on computer. You have to use the proper light. Then avoid rubbing your eyes when something gets into them. If something gets into your eyes, you have to avoid to rub your eyes. Instead of that, what you have to do? Instead, wash your eyes with clean water. You have to wash your eyes with a clean water. So you have to write this one answer. So next answer I will write on the boards. Can you see that properly? Now second is what? Ears. Now how we have to take the care of your ears? How we have to take the care of our ears? I will write the answer. Okay students, see. Next answer I have written here, ears. How we have to take care of our ears? See, always clean your ear with soft cloth. Avoid listening to loud music in a closed room. Never shout into the ears of other person. Some people like that one. Yes, but we should be aware. You have to see this answer and you have to write. Next question is there, skin. I am going to write now about skin. Have you seen? Okay. Okay. How we have to take care of our skin? I have written answer here. See, you have to have a bath daily. Take a bath daily. Always wear clean clothes. If you wear the dirty clothes, what will happen? Some irritations or some rashes will come on your body. So always you have to wear the clean clothes. Eat a balanced diet and drink plenty of water. If you will not take balanced diet and if you will not drink the plenty of water, what will happen? You will get some of the dehydration problem or any stomach problems. Yes. Then avoid playing with fire. You should not play with the fire or any hot objects, or you should not touch to any sharp things. Yes or no? And what you have to do? And you protect your skin from the chemicals. Some of the chemicals and lotions we are using now on our face, so you should be aware of this one. Yes. Now next question is what there? Tongue and nose. So I am going to write now tongue. Okay, students, see, I have written the answer of tongue. Do not forget to clean your tongue while brushing your teeth. Rinse your mouth after every meal. Avoid eating food items that are too hot or cold or too spicy. Yes, you have to this one. Next one, last one, nose. So I am going to write the now nose. Okay. Okay, one is remain nose. So tomorrow I will write that one. notes, and question number 4 and question number 5 tomorrow we will complete this one. Up to there we have to be stopped. Now whatever I have given that the words you have to write in your notebooks. Up to there, bye bye.